I was gonna rip his heart out. I'm the best ever. I'm the most brutal and vicious and most ruthless champion there's ever been. There's no one can stop me. Lynx is a conqueror. No, I'm Alexander. He's no Alexander. I'm the best ever. There's never been anybody as ruthless. I'm Sonny Liston. I'm Jack Dempsey. There's no one like me. I'm from Nairclaw. There's no one that can match me.
All right, Shalom, Lord in Christ, Israel. This Officer Kordash Debar. Right now, the Israelite School of Universal Practical Knowledge is passing out clothes and food. Look at these clothes. We passing out clothes and food. Clothes for girls and boys. We got, and it's wintertime right now. We got jogging pants, sweater. I don't give a damn what you talking about. These sweaters good no matter what. I don't care if they name brand or not. Undergarment, little toys that the kids can play with, hat and gloves. You see what I'm saying? So this gonna do numbers regardless. On top of that, right? As you can see, come on around here to the food. You can go ahead and step over there, brother. Come around here to the food. Now, we got boxes because we partnered with Focus Hope. We pass out food to the people. They are signing up if they not signed up, and they get their boxes of food. We got government cheese, dry milk, peaches, couple cans of peaches. You got spaghetti, good old kidney beans for your soup. And if you don't feel like cooking, you can microwave this. So if somebody hungry, they can come get this food no matter what.
No affiliation, why they faking? This ain't for debating. We the real, they really imitation. I be contemplating why this ain't on like heavy rotation on radio stations. I just pray the Lord give me patience, cause I'm running through these rappers like my name Walter Payton. Shitting on these rappers, 9 to 5 is my occupation. Raw, you come in with your best troops, you best bring more. Already told you I got the juice like Orenthal. Already know what I'm about to do, bet your men fall.
Hey Shalom, Yahweh Shem Yashai Barakatah, priest and officer of 5,000 Natas up here at the food drive off in Highland Park off Woodward Avenue with the Isupk under Commanding General Yohana. As you can see, we had another successful giveaway of food, clothing, and all necessary items to keep our people fed and warm. All right. We do have more food and necessities on the way, and you know, all thanks to the Most High, man. The Most High able to provide for our people. All right, and the water to Commanding General Yohana, who was a prime example on what we should do to show love to one another, man. And you show extreme love to one another when you can help, you know, our people out, man. Christ said in the scriptures, man, you know, it's gonna come a time where, you know, he's gonna ask, man, did you feed me when I was hungry? Did you clothe me, you know, when I was cold, man? And we take the scriptures very seriously. We listen.
Don't compare Dennis, UPK. We men the wall shit, we ain't Christian. Harm one of us, get pistol whipped like the gun got a belt with it. I'm bred different. The competition just a mill. I'm fed different. I stood front line on them fields, I bled different. I'd rather be a corpse than a coward. I'm led different. Shit, I'm led different. Come through like a juggernaut, so don't get in the way. And we take everything serious. We don't play. I wonder now what they gonna say. Shit, we make profits out of shooters.
Imagine
like the NBA.
people, you know, our brothers and sisters living on the earth today, they don't see help from nowhere. You understand? We live in the city of Detroit right now. We're in Highland Park, and there's money all around us, but the government just won't give it to you. You understand? Imagine the brothers and sisters that's walking around here that's just hungry or just need some gloves or just a skull cap or anything like that. You understand? And they can't go to the police station. They can't go to the church. You understand? The only way they can go is other brothers out here that love them and is coming out here in the cold and giving them what they need, man.